Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and creating 5 looks using the ABH and Jackie Aina palette. I'm really excited. I absolutely love the packaging. It's so stunning and unique, and I'm glad it's not velvety anymore, so this one won't get dirty easily. It's got like this duochrome holographic color on a snakeskin texture. Now a lot of people were comparing this to the other ABH palettes, and of course there's going to be a couple of crossovers. I think these shades Ginger, Edges, and Soleil are kind of almost a little bit standard safe colors in ABH palettes, so those do have some similarities in the other palettes, but they're not quite exact. They're just like a little bit, warm tone or a little bit more cool toned, so nothing exact. I originally wanted to create only 3 looks with this palette, but after the 3rd look I felt still so inspired by all these colors that I had to go and create 2 more. And honestly, I could create 5 more looks with this palette. I think it's very versatile. So if you'd like to see the 5 looks that I created with this palette, please keep watching.
What's up guys, it's Lakey. Before I start the video, I just want to let you know I started a new channel where I'll be posting beat making videos, which basically it's just going to be videos on how I make my music and just the behind the scenes kind of step-by-step process of making beats. So if you're interested in that, I'll link it right here. Definitely check it out. I'll also put it in the description. But yeah, either way, I really appreciate all the support lately guys. Thank you so much, and yeah, enjoy the song.
So those are the 5 looks that I created with this palette. Now on to my thoughts on the colors. I didn't have any issues with any of the mattes. They blended out beautifully and they were very pigmented, per usual ABH standard formula, I think. I did notice that there was a lot less fallout as well as kick up in these pans. So I don't know what's changed. Maybe it's just the nature of these colors. Who knows? The metallic shades are also really stunning, buttery, very high shine. Now 3 of the shimmers have a different formula than the rest of the metallics in this palette. They were more flaky, so I used a glitter glue or sticky base to get these down, and I did have quite a bit of trouble picking them up with a flat brush. And those shades are Zamn, Trust Issues, and Duelist. Trust Issues does remind me of Cube from the Subculture palette or Prism palette, but overall I really thoroughly enjoy this palette. I can see myself using this so many more times in the future, whether it be for an everyday look or a going out look. I think this palette is very versatile. Let me know in the comments below if you got this palette and if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.